Hi everybody, Larry from MarineMax here, and today we're going to take a look at this 2024 21-foot Montauk from Boston Whaler. This is a true Swiss Army knife of a boat, perfect for Northeast Florida, whether you're going to be in the St. Johns River, the Intercoastal, or you want to venture offshore. Where we're going to start today is with the power plant on this boat. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 200 horsepower, plenty of power for this boat, extremely sporty handling. And it's got a beautiful ski arch on the back if you want to tow someone skiing, tow the tube, etc. It's an awesome boat. We've got some neat seating here in the back. These two flip-up seats, which close down nicely, give you a solid deck to stand on if you're fishing or entering the boat at the sandbar. And as we move forward, you're going to see all the space in this boat. Plenty of walking around space, more so than any other bay boat in that 21-foot class. We've got a deluxe leaning post here that incorporates a huge live well, tackle center, flip-up bolsters that provide very comfortable seating when flipped down, as you can see. We've got an ergonomically designed helm, complete with a JL audio system in this boat, and it's ready for your choice of electronics as well. This particular 21 Montauk has nice black powder-coated finish on the T-top and the ski tow arch. Matches up with the platinum hull color just beautifully. It is a gorgeous boat. As we move forward, you're going to see some really nice bow seating up here. This boat has removable backrests that sit in rod holders on either side, port and starboard of the boat. We've got a bow cushion here, nice big fully insulated fish box, anchor locker, and this boat's pre-wired for a trolling motor as well. Your choice of which power you want, whether you want 36 volt, 24 volt, self-deploy, manual deploy, we can put anything you want on this one. You've got a nice cooler bench seat here, giving you additional drink space, cold storage. And in the console, what makes this boat really unique is we've got a head in here with dockside pump out. So you don't have to take the porta potty out of the boat. Just go to a pump out at a marina and it's all good to go. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at 904-545-5310. We'd love to get you out on a sea trial. Thank you.